Good day, students. Welcome to the final JSS 1 Basic Science lesson, Revision and Practical Skills. This lesson consolidates all 3 terms of work and equips you with skills for examination success and practical science. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recall all major topics from JSS 1 Basic Science, answer the main examination question types, demonstrate key practical skills, and apply scientific thinking to everyday Nigerian life. Let us begin. Term 1 Revision, Biology Foundation. Scientific method, 6 steps observation question hypothesis experiment, 1 variable changed, results conclusion. Lab safety, no eating/tasting, lab coat/goggles, report accidents, waft smells. Living things, MRSGREN, movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, nutrition. Excretion is not equal to egestion. Respiration is not equal to breathing. Virus, on the boundary, not fully alive. Classification, 5 kingdoms, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Hierarchy, King Philip came over for good soup. Vertebrates, fish, amphibia, reptilia, aves, mammalia. Invertebrates, arthropoda, mollusca, annelida, etc. Spider equals 8 legs equals arachnid, not insect. Fungi is not equal to plant. Monocots, yam, maize, rice, versus dicots, mango, beans, tomato. The Cell, Robert Hooke, 1665. Cell theory. Organelles, nucleus, control center, mitochondria, powerhouse/ATP, ribosomes, protein synthesis, Golgi, post office/packaging, lysosomes, suicide bags. Animal cell, no cell wall, no chloroplast, no large vacuole, are centrioles. Plant cell, cell wall, cellulose, chloroplasts, green cells only, large central vacuole, tagger. Root hair cells, no chloroplast, underground. Nutrition, autotrophic, photosynthesis, 6CO2 plus 6H2O C 6H2O6 plus 6O2. Heterotrophic, holozoic/saprotrophic/parasitic. 7 nutrients, carbohydrates, yam/rice, energy, proteins, bean/fish, growth, kwashiorkor, fats, palm oil, vitamins, A, night blindness/palm oil, C, scurvy/orange, D, rickets/sunlight, minerals, Fe, anemia, Ca, bones, I, goiter, water, fiber. Kwashiorkor equals protein, marasmus equals protein plus calorie. Term 2 Revision. Plant reproduction, flower parts, stamen, anther plus filament, male, carpel, stigma plus style plus ovary, female. Pollination, anthostigma insect, colorful, scented, sticky pollen, versus wind, dull, no nectar, light pollen, feathery stigma. Fertilization, pollen tube male gamete plus egg equals zygote, ovule seed, ovary fruit. Asexual, runners, grass, bulbs, onion, tubers, yam, rhizomes, ginger, corms, cocoyam, suckers, banana, cuttings, cassava, grafting/budding, mango/citrus. Animal reproduction, sexual versus asexual, budding equals hydra, fission equals amoeba, fragmentation equals starfish. External fertilization, fish, frog, in water. Internal fertilization, birds, reptiles, mammals. Oviparous, lay eggs, fish/frog/bird/lizard, viviparous, live birth plus placenta, mammals, ovoviviparous, eggs hatch inside, puff adder, some sharks. Metamorphosis, complete, egg larva pupa adult, mosquito, butterfly, 4 stages. Incomplete, egg nymph adult, grasshopper, 3 stages. Mosquito life cycle important, Anopheles transmits malaria. Habitats, habitat/population/community/ecosystem/niche. Nigerian zones, mangrove rainforest Guinea savanna Sudan savanna Sahel. Adaptations, structural, physiological, behavioral. Baobab, water storage, mangrove, pneumatophores. Pollution, air, gas flaring, generators, water, oil spills, sewage, eutrophication, land, dump sites, noise, generators. Eutrophication, algal bloom, oxygen depletion, fish death. Water, H2O, 3 states, melting/freezing/evaporation/condensation. Anomalous expansion, ice floats, less dense. Maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, infiltration. Universal solvent. Waterborne diseases, cholera, typhoid, dysentery, bilharzia. Simple machines, 6 types, lever or 3 classes, wheel/axle, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw. MA equals load/effort. Work equals force times distance, joules. Machines don't create energy. Term 3 revision. Energy, capacity to do work, joules. Law of conservation. Forms, kinetic, 1/2 mv superscript 2, GP, mgh, chemical, thermal, electrical, light, sound, nuclear. Non-renewable, fossil fuels, oil, gas, coal. Renewable, solar, wind, hydro, biomass. Heat, sources, sun, combustion, friction, electricity. It is not equal to temperature. Transfer, conduction, solid, metal equals good conductor, wood equals insulator, convection, fluid, hot rises, radiation, electromagnetic, no medium. Expansion, bimetallic strip, railway gaps, thermometers. Electricity, static, charge builds up/discharges as spark/lightning, versus current, continuous flow. V equals I, Ohm's law. Series, one path, all fill together, versus parallel, independent branches, same voltage, used in homes. Safety, no water, no overloading, earthing. Light, electromagnetic, 3 times 10 meter per second, travels in vacuum. Reflection, angular equals angular, from normal. Refraction, bends at boundary, towards normal when entering denser medium. Dispersion, white light, Röykbiff, rainbow. Total internal reflection, optical fibers. Sound, longitudinal waves, needs medium, cannot travel in vacuum. Speed, solid, liquid, gas, 340 meters per second in air. Frequency, pitch, amplitude, loudness, dB. Ultrasound, bats, dolphins, medical imaging. Echo equals V times T/2. Practical skills, what examiners test and what every JSS 1 science student should be able to do. Observation and recording, use all relevant senses, safely, record data in tables, identify variables, write a clear scientific observation sentence, the liquid changed from colorless to blue when the indicator was added. Classification, given a list of organisms or objects, sort them by kingdom, vertebrate class, plant type, or by habitat. Drawing diagrams, draw and fully label a plant cell and an animal cell, draw a simple electric circuit, draw a flower showing male and female parts, draw a reflection diagram with correct angles, draw the water cycle. Marks are given for correct shape, correct labels, label lines touching the correct part, no colored pencil shading unless asked. Data interpretation, read a table or graph and answer questions about trends, higher/lowest values, relationships, calculate averages or use formulae, MA equals load/effort, work equals F times D, GP equals MGH, V equals IR. Exam strategy. Read each question carefully, state, explain, describe, calculate, identify, require different responses. State equals short answer, 1 word or 1 sentence. Explain equals give reasons, 2 or more sentences with cause effect. Describe equals more detail, sequence, features. Calculate equals show all working, include units. Always include units in numerical answers, J, V, A, M, kg, etc. Time management, move on if stuck, return to difficult questions. Attempt all questions, partial marks available. Congratulations on completing the JSS 1 Basic Science course. Remember, science is not just in the laboratory, it is in your food, your environment, your body, your city. Keep questioning, keep observing, keep exploring. Litech Academy is proud of your dedication. Until next time.